Hello, 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 you guys. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be eating some sushi rolls. Sushi. You guys, last time I ate this, I said sushi, and I don't remember saying sushi. Well, anyways, sushi rolls. Sushi rolls. You guys, this is one of my top favorite meals. I love sushi. And you guys, like I said before, I eat cooked sushi. Cooked. I eat it cooked. And you guys, I'm going to attempt to use the sticks again. But if it's a fail, it's a fail. I remember one guy told me that they eat sushi with their hands. So I said that works for me. So if the sticks don't fail, then I can always use my hands, you guys. And I'm comfortable enough with you guys to use my hands, so it doesn't matter. Mmm. Mmm. I'm going to enjoy this meal, you guys, because I love this. You can't go wrong with sushi. Mmm. And let me tell y'all what I got. I'm going to attempt to tell y'all what I got. Now, somebody, you guys, I know you guys are good about correcting me. This is supposed to be an inari roll, or yeah, inari pocket. It's INARI. So, but these are so yummy, you guys. It's filled with rice. Then it's got avocado and it's got crab meat in it. Oh my goodness, these are the bomb. I just know they're so good. And then I got cucumber rolls, which is cucumber wrapped in, it's got sesame seed on it with avocado and crab meat. And then I got the deluxe California roll, which is the crab meat, cucumber, and avocado. And then I have avocado rolls. It's just a variety of rolls, you guys. I don't even know what all I have. I picked up so many. And you guys, believe it or not, like I said before, I get my stuff from the grocery store. They actually make it fresh right in front of you, so it's all good. Mmm. It's so yummy. So how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you had a wonderful week. Been having a wonderful week. It's cold out here. It's cold. And there's snow everywhere. So, no fun. We just want to stay in the house, eat, watch TV, watch movies or whatever. Stay in the bed all day. This is so good. And of course, I got my sauce over here, guys. I got wasabi and some barbecue eel sauce and some soy sauce. And I got it all mixed together. Yes, I do. This time I mixed it better. Because you guys, my last sushi mukbang, I had wasabi, chunks of wasabi. Because I didn't mix it right. And it was all down at the bottom of the sauce. Oh my goodness, you guys. I kept on stenching my nose. I'm gonna warm my nose. It was so bad. So bad. Mmm. Let me eat some more cucumber roll. This I don't think I could pick up with this. Okay. Oh, I do. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it. Oh, very good. Mmm. Cucumber rolls are so good. They do that for people that is watching their weight. So, if you're on a low keto way of eating, or maybe low fat, that's the way to go. And it's just like eating a sushi roll. No different. I don't even miss the rice. These are so yummy. I want to make them at home. Like I said, you guys, I was going to attempt to make these. I see somebody make them, but they make it look like it's so easy, but you know how some stuff looks so easy, but you know it's not that easy. Y'all need to be over my house so I can share this with y'all. I forgot my pickled ginger. I used to like how it tastes on top of mine. It's so yummy. So yummy. Ooh, you guys, it's so good. This you know what you say, Anari, whatever. It's a bunch of goodness. That's what it is. In a pocket full of goodness. This stuff is the bomb. The fact that I didn't know about, I'm just not really getting into sushi in the past probably year or maybe 2 years. And the first time I tasted sushi, I was hooked. Actually, I tasted the uncooked one. The cooked one. No, the uncooked. I did not like that one. Then I attempted to try these, and I said, okay, maybe I like this better. And when I did, oh my goodness, that was history. That was all she wrote. You can't get me out these sushi restaurants. I love it. Especially when they have all you can eat. Yeah, you guys, they have all you can eat sushi. It's not too pricey. I think you can get it for like $25.99, $25.99 or something like that. All you can eat, but it's all you can eat, and it's fresh. They roll it, they make it right there. As soon as you ask them for another one, put your order in, and you're going to get 3 rolls at a time. I know why they do that. They give you 3 rolls at a time, and then they have you put your order in if you want another one, so it can be done. Well, you only end up going back twice, because They give you all those rolls and they make you wait. And you sitting there waiting and waiting. You know, guys, our body processes our food within 20 minutes. And we are just like, okay, I'm full now. You get my body enough time to register that it's full. These avocado rolls, guys, are so good. It's that avocado on top. So good. You can't go wrong with cooked sushi. Yummy. Let me get my pickle. Let's make it so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Soup my tummy. Uh-oh. It's falling apart now, y'all. Well, sticks ain't working. Gotta dip. At least it won't work for this one. Oh, excuse me, you guys. I actually like when I burp, because it's giving me more room to eat. That's my camera cut off, but it's all good. I don't even know what I was talking about. Oh, excuse me. But I'm getting full. So yummy. Ooh. You guys, those of you that have never tried sushi, you need to try it. And just know that all sushi is not raw. They do have cooked sushi. And it says right on the packet, cooked. And then, because if you ever buy it from a grocery store or something like that, because some grocery store do have fresh sushi. But you have to be able to be behind, you know, the people that be behind the counter or whatever, ask them to make yours fresh and they'll do it for you. But the sushi, usually you just ask them that you want cooked sushi, and what you ask them is like for California rolls is pretty safe. You get the California rolls or the Philadelphia rolls. Most of them are safe. You don't have to worry about that. They mostly have cream cheese, crab leg, crab meat, or cucumbers, avocados, and I think that's it. And rice, wrapped with rice. So you can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that, so. But they do have it raw sometimes, some raw stuff. Like the raw, I think it's a raw salmon roll, or it be some pink stuff covering it. I don't know what it is, but all I know is raw. I don't like it. Maybe some of y'all may like it. The raw kind. Just never taste the sushi, period. But it's very yummy. I was mad at myself for missing it out all these years. Oh, that water's so good. Oh, I think I'm filled with water. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat one more of these anari, maybe a couple more of these cucumber rolls, and then one of these anari. These pockets. I'm gonna call them pockets because I may be saying the name wrong. So good, y'all. Can't get over how good it is. Not bad. Not better than that seafood, but it's good. It's up there. It's good. Mmm. 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 I'm gonna finish all these cucumber rolls. Y'all, this is the stuff. Mmm. 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 Yeah, yeah. Ooh. I do not want to put that much wasabi in my mouth. I'm not in the mood to have my nose hairs burnt. Or whatever you want to call it. Mmm. 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 Mm. I didn't eat a lot of this. I'll probably eat some later. I'm gonna eat one more of these, you guys. So, you guys, I thank you to all. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And you guys, I thank you for coming back to my channel to tune in. If you like what you saw, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Sorry. Sorry, y'all. Share this video, guys, with anyone and everyone. Let them know what I'm doing over here in this kitchen. And you guys, I'm so full now. I'm finna still try to eat this. I think the water caught up with me too. I was trying to belt, but you know how that go. But it's been good. This was really good. And you guys, if you ever try this stuff, always get the ginger. I mean, get the pickled ginger. I think it's called something else. It starts with a G, but I can't pronounce it, so I'm not gonna even try. All I know is it's ginger, and they pickled it. So, because I asked one of the guys, he said it's pickled. I said, what's this stuff called? He's like, pickled ginger. I mean, he didn't say pickled ginger. He said another name, but I asked him what it was, and he told me it was ginger that's pickled. So, it tastes good to me. Y'all, I want a belt so bad. That was a little one. It's trying to come up, but I'm like, dang. That's good. But you guys, I ain't even bring me no napkins. Well, I'll be darned. No napkin. But you guys, I'll be back in a couple of days with another video. Don't know what, but I'll be back in a couple of more days. And you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching me eat my food. You guys just keeping me company. I love it. And I'll see you next week. Peace.